Good evening, everyone. I'm Aditi, and Indian Cultural Association of the Philippines brings to you this beautiful, auspicious, and pious occasion of Eid. ICAP stands for the Indian Community in the Philippines, bringing forward its efforts to preserve and promote the rich Indian culture and heritage through events, celebrations, and festivities. We aim to create harmony between the cultures of India and Philippines while creating camaraderie and peace amongst its people. बहुत बहुत ईद मुबारक। आप सभी को आईकैप की तरफ से ईद की मुबारकबाद कुछ इस कदर देते हैं। करो तकवा हासिल तो होगी ईद की खुशी बेशुमार। लैलातुल इनाम में दुआ की कबूलियत से होगा ईद का आगाज। Wishing you all a very happy, blessed and harmonious Eid. God bless you all.
Assalamu alaikum to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. On behalf of ICAP, I would like to wish all the Muslims happy Eid. Eid Mubarak. God bless us all. Thank you.
في غمرة بهجتنا هنو يلا اللي تحبون، في حزتها الأعياد وش باقي غير الأعياد. في غمرة بهجتنا هنو يلا اللي تحبون، في حزتها الأعياد وش باقي غير الأعياد. والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي، ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعيد. والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي، ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعيد، دامت مساعيد. فيه الفرحة معهودة، افرح وانسى أحزانك. فيه الضحكة معسولة، داعبها بكل أشجانك. فيه الفرحة معهودة، افرح وانسى أحزانك. فيه الضحكة معسولة، علي بكل ألحانك. ردد كلمة منشودة، عيد مبارك بلحانك. خلي العيد بحلولة، فرحة وسامر خلانك، فرحة وسامر خلانك. والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي، ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعيد. والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي، ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعيد، دامت مساعيد. الضيقة والأحزان فيها الجو مكانه، وقت الضيم والونات راحوا ولا زمانه. ما للضيقة والأحزان فيها الجو مكانه، وقت الضيم والونات راحوا ولا زمانه. نبض الساعات والبسمات حانوا على النوانة، فرحة عيد فيه تزيد وتتفاخر في كيانه، وتتفاخر في كيانه.
Assalamu alaikum friends. Eid al-Fitr is one of the most joyous occasions in the Muslim world. Going to the mosque in the morning and giving zakat, alms are common throughout the Muslim world. However, there are different Eid traditions in different cultures, and these are just a few of them. Number 1. India. Muslims compose the largest minority in the country and people come out in droves to celebrate it. Some of the special foods prepared are sheer khurma and savaiya. The night before Eid, Chandrat, people visit bazaars and go shopping. The women decorate their hands with henna and wear traditional garments. Afghanistan. The Central Asian nation celebrates Eid in a unique way in which citizens indulge in a playful egg fight. The game, popularly known as Tukham Jangi, involves people meeting in an open space, carrying boiled eggs, and then attempt to crack each other's eggs. Indonesia. The most populous Muslim nation in the world celebrates the festival in grand style and even has a name for it, Lebaran. The country's Islamic fashion industry usually sees a 20 to 30% spike in sales during this period. Turkey. In Turkey, the festival is known as Sikr Bayram, or the Festival of Sweets. After prayers and family gatherings, children receive a wide variety of local sweets such as Turkish delights and baklava. On the day of Eid, it is also common to greet elders by kissing their right hand. UAE. Eid in UAE is celebrated the Emirati way, with a perfect blend of Islamic etiquette of sharing and framed Arabian hospitality. The country offers plenty of cultural events, magic tricks, shows, and decorated theme parks. Here are tips that Sunnah suggests for us to do on Eid. Number 1. Doing ghusl. It is Sunnah to do ghusl on Fridays, the day of Arafah, on Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Wear new clothes and use best perfumes. Imam Malik said, I heard the scholars describing it as mustahab, encouraged to adorn oneself and put on perfumes on every Eid. Takbir. Say takbir, visit each other and congratulate. It is Sunnah to recite takbir on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. Visit your loved ones and families and say Eid Mubarak in any permissible wording. Go out with your family and enjoy fine food. Remember that expressing joy on Eid is one of the symbols of Islam. Make sure that you don't forget the needy and poor. Give zakat so that they can enjoy Eid too.
Everyone, welcome back to Learn with Nasir and Fatma.
So, as the month of Ramadan is coming to a close and as we are getting ready to celebrate Eid, we thought that it would be a great idea if we create an Eid special episode and share with you how we as Muslims celebrate Eid and what are some of the most celebrated traditions that we practice on this special day.
So, Eid al-Fitr, which literally means the festival of breaking fast, is one of the biggest and most exciting holidays we Muslims have in Islam. And it is celebrated as the first day marking the end of Ramadan, which is the month where Muslims fast from dawn to dusk. So, Eid al-Fitr is actually the celebration and kind of reward that we receive after all the hard work done during the month of Ramadan.
So, how do we start the day? Well, we start the day by waking up super early in the morning as we have to attend the Eid prayer. And the first thing that I personally do as I get up is to rush straight to the fridge and eat something, as that's something that I hadn't been able to do for an entire month. Our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, used to eat dates on the morning of Eid. So, following his footsteps, we Muslims usually start the day by eating something sweet as well. And traditionally, by the time kids and hubbies wake up in the morning, the homes are already filled with the aroma of sweet dishes like sweet vermicelli, puddings, or halwa that mommies and wives have already prepared before anybody else woke up.
So, the next thing we do is getting ready for Eid prayer. Most Eid prayer gatherings are held very early in the morning. And if you spend too much time wandering here and there and getting ready, you will miss the prayer, and that's not good. So one by one, everyone takes shower and gets dressed in their most beautiful new clothes, and yes, we are all set to leave for the Eid prayers.
Now, it's quite a view on the streets and roads as well, as everyone's rushing towards the mosques. Many mosques arrange the Eid prayer in a larger setting, like in a park or a stadium, in order to accommodate all the people, as the crowd for praying Eid prayer is usually huge and sometimes difficult to be contained inside the mosques.
Special arrangements are made for women as well, as they join the gathering and pray the Eid prayers alongside men.
At this point, it is worth noting that one very important tradition towards the end of Ramadan is to give away a small amount of money in charity, and that has to be done before praying Eid prayer. This charity is called Sadaqatul Fitr and is meant to allow the struggling families as well to celebrate Eid, buy new clothes or gifts for their children, so that nobody stays behind in celebrating Eid. So, coming back to the Eid prayer, it's a short prayer followed by a sermon by the Imam, and once the sermon is completed, everyone rises up on their feet and wishes each other happy Eid. which is traditionally done by hugging each other and saying Eid Mubarak. And personally, for me, that is one of the most gratifying moments of my entire life. Hugging friends, hugging family members, hugging strangers, and just wishing all a very happy Eid.
So, once everybody has returned home after praying, the next tradition and the tradition that everyone has been waiting for before the Ramadan even began is Eid.
And what's Eid, you may ask? Eid is usually the gift money, preferably in the form of fresh notes that you have to give to your family members, especially your children and your siblings if you want to live peacefully afterwards. Parents give Eid to their children, brothers give Eid to their sisters, husbands give Eid to their wives, and probably your uncles and aunties would also be giving you Eid, but that might go to the wallets of your parents if you don't claim it right away.
So, Nasir, how much Eid are you giving me this time?
We'll see.
It's not going to be easy on your pocket.
We'll see.
Apart from money, traditionally Eid is also given in the form of other presents like dresses, jewelry, shoes, etc. Children are the most excited while receiving Eid. And once they have collected all the Eid money, they rush to the markets and buy themselves all their dream sweets, chocolates, ice creams and toys.
The rest of the day is spent visiting friends and family members. You may plan a trip to some place as well with your family. Relatives invite each other for lunch or dinner where so many delicious dishes are served. And the entire day is spent just like that, celebrating, eating, hanging out with friends and family members, and just having a great time.
So that's all about celebrating Eid. Do let us know what's your favorite thing to do on this day and how much Eid do you get or have to give.
And if you are a non-Muslim watching this video, then we hope that you learned something new about this festival of Muslims, and you can join your Muslim friends as well in celebrating Eid, and the easiest way to do that is by wishing them happy Eid, or you can say Eid Mubarak to them. And
Or Eid Bayram Lar.
yeah, if you are Turkish, then Eid Bayram Lar.
So again, Eid Mubarak to all of you from us, and we hope that you have a very very meaty choti Eid.
खुशामदीद सामईन, हम सब की तरफ से आप सबको बहुत बहुत ईद मुबारक पेश करती हूँ ये गज़ल की शाम आपके नाम। ये गज़ल जगजीत जी और लता जी ने गाई है और बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, आपकी नज़र पेश करती हूँ।
जो भी बुरा भला है अल्लाह जानता है, जो भी बुरा भला है अल्लाह जानता है। बंदे के दिल में क्या है अल्लाह जानता है। ये फर्श और अर्श क्या है अल्लाह जानता है। ये फर्श अर्श क्या है अल्लाह जानता है। पर्दों में क्या छुपा है अल्लाह जानता है। जाकर जहाँ से कोई वापस नहीं है आता, जाकर जहाँ से कोई वापस नहीं है आता। ये कौन सी जगह है अल्लाह जानता है। नेकी बदी को अपनी कितना ही तू छुपाए, नेकी बदी को अपनी कितना ही तू छुपाए। अल्लाह को पता है अल्लाह जानता है। अल्लाह को पता है अल्लाह जानता है।
कोशिश करती हूँ आशा जी की ये गज़ल।
सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ, सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ। जिया में एक अगन है और मैं हूँ, सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ।
करती हूँ बहुत ही खूबसूरत गजल लता जी और तलत अजीज जी की गाई हुई।
फिर छिड़ी रात बात फूलों की, फिर छिड़ी रात बात फूलों की, रात है या बारात फूलों की, रात है या बारात फूलों की। फूल के हार, फूल के गजरे, फूल के हार, फूल के गजरे, शाम फूलों की रात फूलों की, शाम फूलों की रात फूलों की, फिर छिड़ी रात बात फूलों की। आपका साथ साथ फूलों का, आपका साथ साथ फूलों का, आपकी बात बात फूलों की, आपकी बात बात फूलों की, फिर छिड़ी रात बात फूलों की।
मेहंदी हसन साहब की बहुत ही खूबसूरत गज़ल है और जितने भी गज़ल गाने वाले लोग हैं वो ये गज़ल ज़रूर गाते हैं, तो मैं भी आपकी नज़र पेश करती हूँ।
मुझे तुम नजर से गिरा तो रहे हो, मुझे तुम कभी भी भुला ना सकोगे, मुझे तुम नजर से गिरा तो रहे हो, मुझे तुम कभी भी भुला ना सकोगे। न जाने मुझे क्यों यकीन हो चला है, मेरे प्यार को तुम मिटा ना सकोगे, मुझे तुम नजर से। मेरी याद होगी जिधर जाओगे तुम, कभी नगमा बन के, कभी बन के आंसू, कभी नगमा बन के, कभी बन के आंसू, तड़पता मुझे है तरफ पाओगे तुम, शमा जो जलाई है मेरी वफा ने, बुझाना भी चाहो बुझा ना सकोगे, मुझे तुम नजर से।
मेरी बहुत ही पसंदीदा गज़ल है ये। गाया है हेमलता जी ने और मनहर उदास जी ने। और ये मुझे यकीन है कि आपको पसंद आएगी।
तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है, तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है। जहाँ भी जाऊँ ये लगता है तेरी महफिल है, तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है। ये आसमान, ये बादल, ये रास्ते, ये हवा, ये आसमान, ये बादल, ये रास्ते, ये हवा, हर एक चीज है अपनी जगह ठिकाने से। कई दिनों से शिकायत नहीं ज़माने से। ये जिंदगी है सफ़र, तो सफ़र की मंजिल है। जहाँ भी जाऊँ ये लगता है तेरी महफिल है, तू इस तरह से मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल है।
इस गज़ल के साथ ही हमारा गज़ल की शाम का ये वक्त ख़त्म हुआ और उम्मीद करते हैं कि इस सिलसिला हम इसी तरह से जारी रखेंगे। शुक्रिया, करम नवाजी, खुदा हाफिज़।
This is Arjun Shroff from Indian Cultural Association of the Philippines. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh. Wishing everyone Eid Mubarak. Ma salama.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Diji Shajahi, Trustee Board Member of the Indian Cultural Association of Philippines. Here's wishing Muslims all around the world Eid Mubarak. Kullu aam wa antum bikhair.
A very peaceful and happy Eid. May Almighty take away sufferings of all the people around the globe. Eid Mubarak.
Happy Eid al-Fitr and Eid Mubarak to all my beautiful and amazing Muslim friends around the world. Wish you all the very best, fun-filled day and a very prosperous Eid.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Chandru Mehtani, Trustee from the Board of Directors of the Indian Cultural Association of the Philippines, wishing you all a happy Eid Mubarak.